Do you want to schedule a WhatsApp group call so everyone can join at the right time? Follow these steps. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. And once there, go to the Calls tab. Simply tap the plus sign on the top right corner. Once there, tap the Schedule Call option at the bottom. From the options that appear, you can add a reason for the call just here. Now set when the call should start. Select the date for the call, and then the exact date you want the call to start. Now for the end time, you can disable this option since you don't know when the call will end. Once done, select the call type. It can either be voice or video depending on what you need. Once everything is selected, tap Next to proceed. Now here, simply choose the group you want to send this to and tap on it. Finally, tap Next to send. Well, that's it. If this video helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.